Are you looking for the best iPhone case? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best iPhone case for iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and 16e on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Basic Case for iPhone 16. There's a reason the Smartish Grip Monk has been our favorite case for as long as it has. It's the best combination of coverage, protection, and affordability, all for slightly more than you would pay for coffee and breakfast at Starbucks. We've tested cases that cost double the price with fewer features. The Grip Monk is made of a soft, rubber-like plastic, TPU, or thermoplastic polyurethane, that has enough give to make it easy to install the case on your phone, but not so much that it will stretch out. The case's corners stay put, too. Its back is smooth, and the sides have a pebbly texture with 3 small grooves that provide the right amount of grip. The Grip Monk case covers the iPhone's buttons, which are still easy to press, and it leaves a concave cutout for the new camera control button to make presses and swipes feel natural. The slightly raised edges around the camera lenses provide protection while allowing your iPhone to sit flat on a table. The case had no problem surviving a few 6-foot drops during our testing. The soft microfiber interior lining adds a nice touch as well. It covers the MagSafe ring without adding any noticeable bulk. Smartish does offer a non-MagSafe version of the Grip Monk for those who don't want to charge their iPhone 16 wirelessly. Number 2. A wallet case for iPhone 16. We haven't quite made it to the wallet-free future where you can use Apple Wallet to pay for everything, though we're getting close, but the Smartish Wallet Slayer Volume 1 might be the next best thing. With enough space for a physical ID and a couple of credit cards, it's the best option for combining a wallet and a phone case. The Wallet Slayer Volume 1 resembles the Grip Monk with a complete TPU build, air pockets in the corners, and pebble-textured sides for grip, but it swaps the Grip Monk's microfiber interior with rubber. It also has rubber covers for the iPhone 16's action, power, and volume buttons, but it has a camera control cutout. The wallet pocket on the back adds just over ½ inch to the case's profile. It has a card slot on the right and a smaller hole on the left to push the cards out. It's easy to slide cards in and out, and cards stay secure, whether you're storing 1, 2, or 3. Number 3. A more protective case for iPhone 16. If you need as much protection as possible for a reasonable price, check out the Smartish Gripzilla. It's still relatively slim, unlike other cases that come with extra protection. The Gripzilla is a slightly thicker and taller version of the Smartish Grip Monk. It adds minimal thickness to your iPhone with an extra 0.2 inch in height and 0.1 inch in thickness over the Grip Monk. The Gripzilla also adds a 1mm lip to guard the camera and a 1.5mm lip to protect the screen from drops. Despite being marginally thicker, it supports MagSafe charging and protects your action, volume, and power buttons, while providing an accessible cutout for the camera control button. It has recessed finger ridges on both sides of the case to provide a secure grip for those who are prone to dropping their devices. It survived several drop tests from a 6-foot height, without any visible damage. And like the Grip Monk case, you can create your own custom design, available for a premium through the company's website. Number 4. A clear case for iPhone 16. If you prefer a clear case that showcases your iPhone's color and design while adding protection, we recommend the clear version of Encase's slim case. It has a transparent hard plastic back with frosted TPU borders and air pockets across all 4 corners for extra protection. It also has a raised camera border but maintains a sleek profile. Encase's frosted and mildly textured sides offer a grip better than most clear cases we've tested, and they don't turn your case into a fingerprint magnet. The case covers all of the buttons, save for the new camera control button, which sits in a concave cutout. It also has an integrated lanyard loop, which is a handy feature we don't see often on clear cases. The case also comes in several color options, including transparent black, pink, blue, and green. Number 5. A thin case for iPhone 16. If you're seeking the thinnest case you can slap on your phone, we recommend the Totally Super Thin case. It lives up to its name with a super thin design that's only half a millimeter thick and weighs less than an ounce. While the protection is minimal here, it does offer a bump to protect your camera lenses, covers your phone's buttons, and provides accessible cutouts for its USB-C port and camera control button. It also supports MagSafe for wireless charging and attaching accessories.